Welcome guys, today I'm gonna show you how to boost your PC and make it run more efficiently. So to do this, there are many tips that you can follow. So let's get started. So it's time for tip number 1. So what you should do is just right click on recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin. So click on yes and it's done. So cleaning the recycle bin helps to reserve storage and make your PC run faster. Tip number 2. Run disk cleanup. So to do that, you should go to this PC and you can see there are the drives that are there. So you can see local drive C and D and E. So mainly the system files are stored on local disk C. So click there and you can see on the top drive. So click on drive 2 so you can see cleanup. So you can say use disk cleanup to reduce the number of unnecessary files on the selected disk to free up disk space and help this computer run fast. So click on that one. So you can see the unwanted files. It's only 25 megabytes. It's okay, let's clean it. Click delete file. No problem for your computer because these are unnecessary files that are not needed by the computer. So after this cleanup, you should click on cleanup again and you see reduced. So if you want to clean up the computer even more, click clean up system files. So this doesn't even harm your computer because this is also unnecessary files. Don't be scared, it won't delete your important files. It won't harm your computer. So after that, click on OK. Select all the files you need, don't need, and click on OK. Delete file, and it will delete it. Clean it. Done. So let's move on. It's time for tip number 3. This is also quite similar. So you should go to this PC and click on local disk C and go to drive tools. This time not clean up but optimize. So optimize is optimize your drives to help your PC run more efficiently. So that's what we are going to do. Click on optimize and you can see the 4% fragmented. So the more percent of the hard disk is fragmented, the slower it runs. So my computer is quite slow now. So to fix it and help your computer run more efficiently, you should click optimize. So now you can see it will optimize. So to optimize your drive, it will take about 15 minutes. So stand by. So the defragmentation process has successfully ended. So that means now the PC should run very faster. Now you should go to start. So that's by clicking the start. It's actually a keyboard shortcut, or you can use the screen icon. So scroll down and you'll see Windows Administrative Tools. So click on Windows Administrative Tools and you can see Defragment and Optimize drives and Disk Cleanup are both in the same place. So you can run both of them to make your PC run faster. So if you want to clean temp files, you can go to here and type run, R-U-N, run, and that's the app. So click on the enter button and you should type percentage temp and percentage. Click enter, click OK, and then you see there's actually a lot of files down here. So everything here is not needed. It's all garbage. So delete all the files, select all the files, and click delete. Click yes and skip the files you can't delete because they are open with some other program. Okay, so that's done. Do a quick refresh and close. So tip number 6. So you should go back to run and then type Prefetch, P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H, and click OK. And you see you don't currently have permission to access this folder, but it's okay. Let's go continue. So delete all the files here also, and they are also not needed. Delete all and skip the files you can't. So it's time for our 9th tip. So for this tip you should go to the search bar and type system. So in the settings section you see system. Click on this one. So, and then you should go to advanced system settings on the right side. Now click on that one and you'll see the editor, PC name, or hardware managers, and under advanced you see performance. So you can see virtual effects and all effects are here. So you can see for best performance. And I would like to put some new things, so I will keep some, so you can see smooth edges and screen fonts, and I will see, I would save taskbar thumbnail previews. So keep those stuff and click OK and close. If you want to disable unwanted startup apps, so for that you should go right click on the taskbar and there's a task manager. Click on that one and you should go to startup. So go there and disable the apps that you don't need to start when your computer starts. So startup means when the computer starts, the apps that starts running at your sign in. So better if you disable all of them, but keep some programs running. So keep all the Microsoft Corporation programs enabled, and especially security programs. So you don't need India download management startup. But if you're needing downloads, better keep it up. So that's all. So you should pick your apps that you need and don't need and disable them or enable them. So there you have it. Now your PC should be running pretty fast and run at lightning speed. So put a comment down below in the description to say if it did worth the try and if it didn't. So to keep getting updates about tech things, subscribe to my channel and ring that small bell next to the subscribe button. So see you guys in another video like this. Hope that this may help you. So bye guys.